This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have the AirPods Max and a source of power. Start now by checking battery level on your iPhone or the LED indicator. Once you see the charge, make sure both ear cups are seated and the digital crown is accessible. This lets you manage controls without fumbling. Next, decide whether you want sleep mode or a full power cut. Sleep is automatic when magnetically separated, but to fully close active systems, you'll use the buttons and wait for confirmation. Now perform the action. Hold both the digital crown and the noise control button at the same time and keep holding for about 15 seconds. Watch the LED for an amber flash that signals a firmware reset or deep sleep. If you want to remove them from your device, go to Bluetooth settings and choose Forget. This severs the automatic reconnect. Once done, place the headphones in the smart case to engage low power mode, which preserves battery and prevents accidental activation. Finish by confirming the LED is not indicating active operation. Press a button briefly. If nothing happens, they're effectively off. Make sure to store them in the smart case to prevent wake events, and note that sometimes a firmware update or a full battery drain is necessary to force a complete power off. If the headphones remain active, try holding the controls longer, up to 30 seconds, or update firmware connected to an iPhone. If problems persist, contact Apple support for guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.